Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, my journey in life. So it's afternoon here, and here is Brian. He's washing the dishes. So I'm gonna show you something here outside because he last night is really windy, right, Daddy? And also until now. So look at here, guys, our table here outside. Daddy, how to open it? Ayan. Yeah, open it, please. Yeah, look at our table here. My gosh, it's broken because last night is what happened, Daddy? Last night?
I don't know. I guess the wind picked up the umbrella because you opened the umbrella.
Yeah, it's my fault, guys, because I leave the umbrella open. No?
And the wind picked it up and shattered the table.
Yeah, so look at here our table. My gosh, we don't have a table here outside. It's broken, smashed, everything. Because last night I heard also when I am in my work, I heard that the windy is really strong. Even I am inside at the company, and then Brian, when he picked me in the morning, he informed me that he asked me, "Oh, you want to buy a new table?" And then I said, "No, why we want to buy a new table? We don't need that because this is really what happened last night." So now, and then I will show you the umbrella here. So the umbrella is here. I think it's broken, this also. The handle. Now, it's my fault because I leave open the umbrella. And then the my gosh. There's a bird. Na 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 na, the wings of black. So
What's he filming?
no, the umbrella.
Huh?
The umbrella. No? It was really windy outside and really strong. And look at here, guys, our neighbor, there is a flower. I like the flower, the color. No? That's our neighbor trees. It's nice color. And this is also our neighbor. So that's it, guys, for today. And maybe tomorrow we will buy something, groceries. It's a Monday tomorrow. So thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel, my journey in life.
Eyes cleaning the freaking.
Last night. Okay. Is that a new coffee, Daddy?
Want some?
Yeah.
Let me wash you a cup.
Okay, thank you.